Okay, what we got going on here is a couple of really crappy soldering irons. These are virtual wood burning tools, really, but I've been using them for soldering. And this is actually a fairly new one. It's not been very well used. Can't really focus it. Can't really focus in on it too well. Anyway, you can see that this one's fairly new and this one's been burned up quite a bit. And the way to make this one usable again, and this is actually usable. I've been using it this way, but it's kind of hard to use. It's got it's malformed. And this isn't a nice soldering iron. This is just a hunk of copper. If this was something like this, you would never fix it this way. But this is all just copper. There's no sensor, there's no plating, there's nothing here. So, take your file. And you can turn it and make a nice conical pointed tip, much like that. But you don't have to. In fact, this one, I'm gonna make it kind of a one-sided chisel tip. It's kind of hard to tell how much to grind down because the silver part is solder, and that'll melt away when it heats up, so you don't want to leave much of that behind because that'll leave a weird shape when it heats up. So basically I just ground it down to hopefully a suitable shape. Now, what you do is you plug it in, and this iron being a extremely crappy iron, it'll take forever to heat up because it's only 25 watts. Alrighty. So that's got to heat up, and I got to put a little solder on it just to tin it so that the copper will be protected, because without the lead on there it'll oxidize and corrode and get all buggered up and yucky. So we tin it up. Not even close. This thing takes forever because it's slow. So part of the problem is we leave these things on all day long, just waiting to be used, and they just burn the tip up. Elements eventually burn up too. But they're cheap. And they're convenient. I don't know. Gotta better have this thing plugged in, because yeah, it's getting hot. Just unbelievably slow. 25 watt. Ugh. Slow, long video. This video could be half as long if this iron were heating up faster. Could edit it, but I'm not. So, you can see it's getting hot enough. I can get a little solder on it. And that's good. You can wipe it off on your sponge. Make sure that it got around everywhere. I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit more solder back on there. Put it away. And it's ready to use whenever I want. So there you go. That's filing and tinning a crappy old iron.